Hi, so this is the human body teaching model for phlebotomy. So we received the arm that has some catheters that we can use to connect in order for us to get some blood return for teaching on how to draw blood and also how to do an infusion. We have the pole that supports our infusion recipient here that we connect with an IV that helps with infusions. We also have a red food dye that we can add. It's a powder that we have here that we add to our container in order for it to simulate blood products. We have a 2 or 3 ml syringe here. It comes with a unsterilized protectant for your working environment. It has a list of the items that you received, along with a carrying case, as well as how to troubleshoot your mannequin model. So as you can see here, we have different veins that are anatomically placed in your model to replicate a human vein location. And so this makes it easier for when you're training your phlebotomist students on how to do blood draws and how to insert IVs for RN students. Makes it easier and more real life placement.